Ever wondered why we yawn? And why is it so contagious? Let's find out. Yawning is our body's way of telling us it's time for a break. Yawning is triggered by a part of our brain called the hypothalamus. When we're tired or lacking stimulation, the hypothalamus senses a decrease in oxygen and an increase in carbon dioxide in our blood. To combat this, our body triggers a yawn, which is a deep inhalation of air. But why is yawning contagious? It's all thanks to mirror neurons in our brains. Mirror neurons make us imitate the actions we see in others, including yawning. When we witness someone yawn, our mirror neurons fire up, and we feel the urge to yawn too.